Hello everyone, welcome back. So today we are going to take a tour of Ram's restaurant. Hi Ram. Can you show what all you have in your restaurant?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, let me see this. Whoa, I like
I
this.
have to make ice cream.
One minute. Ram's restaurant, aka the best food in the world. Who made that?
My brother.
Your brother? Okay.
So I have chocolate to make ice cream.
Uh-huh.
And then these are all the things I have.
Okay. Okay.
And these are the things for bread and
Toaster, smoothie and dough mixer.
dough mix.
And this
to
is the
make muffin, pizza.
uh-huh. That's the stove. That's the oven.
Yeah, I have
This
two
is-
ovens.
Oh, okay. There's one oven over there and one here. And this is the actual stuff. Yes. Okay, can you come out so that I can take a tour? Oh, come here. Come out. I'll take a tour. So we first bought this when Ram was like 3 years old.
A 4 years old.
No, you were 3 years old and we bought this kitchen first. So Ram played,
And
he
play.
pretend played.
And then
He used to make some pretend food and he used to serve us. So he has the salt, he has his pan, spatula, knife, spoons.
spatula. And bread toaster.
Yeah. He organized this kitchen all by himself.
That's my short things.
Yeah, these are his Lego buildings. He made these
broke.
Legos.
It broke somehow.
Yeah.
And this one hung.
And this one, all these are new. These we brought from Costco. Right, Rama?
Yes. And this is coffee mug. I need to fill it
Okay.
with fresh water so I could drink. Coffee.
So his brother made this menu.
Unbelievable. For that coffee, it didn't.
Ram's restaurant menu. He has Play-Doh, rolling pin, teapot, French fry bags. He has this. He has a plate. So this is the storage stuff where he can store. This is our living area. And behind the sofa is the Ram's restaurant.
But it's a secret. A secret restaurant. It's behind the couch.
It's behind the couch. You can see there we have our living room. And here behind the sofa is Ram's
And
restaurant.
this is me.
This is Ram when he was young. He was almost 1 year old. Oh,
I brought that and
You
I
drew-
colored it here.
you drew the blue jay at your friend's house?
Yes.
That's nice.
And I colored it here.
You colored it here. Okay. You look so handsome, Ram. I can see the smile. Okay. Are you ready to serve me? Is the restaurant open?
Yes.
Okay. Can you open the restaurant? Thank you. Oh, the shutter is open. Okay, Rama, that is your money, okay? The pretend money.
Yes.
So, yes, that is the pretend money, and this is the bigger pocket, right? The tens go here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay? This is sorting. You have finally sorted all the money. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Okay, you got a customer, Ram.
Hello. What do you want to order today?
Get some paneer biryani, naan paneer, puri chole, veg soup, veg corn manchuria, gobi manchuria, plain rice, mango lassi, strawberry smoothie, lemonade, prime, and water, please.
What is that? Is that a stomach or something else?
Also get some french fries.
And just some fat
Okay. Okay.
So I'll just give you French fries.
Okay. Okay. French fries coming right up. So your French fries are the Legos, right, Ram?
Yeah.
Legos.
How much do I have to pay you, sir?
Wait. Let the food come first. Hurry up, Ram.
Oh,
Okay, you're rolling. So you're making colorful rice, biryani. Okay, where's your cutter?
Cutter.
Okay. Okay, you're cooking biryani now, Rama?
It's almost done.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, he's cooking biryani now. I can hear that sound and smells good. Oh my god, the stove is hot. Come on, Ram. The biryani is done?
Yeah.
Okay, the biryani is done. Next. Okay, very good. Okay, one is water, one is juice.
Yep.
Okay. Ah! Hata kharshi watara.
What is that? I don't want wet bread.
Jam.
Oh, what?
Bread and jam.
You are right, so I'll give him everything.
Okay. Ek bell pepper hak, bell pepper.
Taking a long time, sir. I don't know what you're doing.
I'm cooking you, son! Hayden!
Hey, daddy, tu aao daddy, jara fun karo daddy.
I'm trying. It's taking like 5 minutes.
Aరే, you told everything, right? So he's bringing everything
Well,
he
you
has.
told me to order everything.
Okay.
See, I love it.
Okay, we'll ask daddy to join. He has a very nice jacket. Okay.
These are all the things I have.
Okay, sir. Okay. Bol Rama, काय दिए? So you have
Lettuce, red pepper smoothie, banana drink, corn drink,
corn soup.
corn soup, bread and jam, french fries, brinjal, apple biryani, potato, and apple juice, tomato, and
Carrot, asparagus.
asparagus, and then that. Oh,
That's all.
Order bell pepper smoothie.
you said you wanted everything.
Yeah. So
These
he.
are everything.
You have bell pepper smoothie?
Yeah.
Yeah, Ram's special. Bell pepper smoothie.
Look at the
Okay,
thing,
can you
guys.
show me how you made bell pepper smoothie? Tik mein ghali kan dekha. So you put bell peppers in there. Oh, let's make smoothie. Let's go.
So here we go.
Oh my God, Ram, Shiva is eating.
Hey,
Hey, no, that's not your katti. Okay, bread and jam. Is it tasty?
Yeah, it's really good, sir.
Is it good, Shiva?
Yes.
Okay, biryani, taste biryani. He's drinking all the juice. Okay. Really good biryani? Oh, French fries? Okay.
Good, sir.
okay.
How much? Puch.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10,
7, 8,
7, 8, 9,
10.
10,
You can tell in English.
69,
69? Okay, $69. Count how many?
30, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70.
60.
70.
9.
No,
Nine.
9. That is 9, Rama. See, you have all the tens here. Okay, count again, Rama. 69 one I they count kar. No, I need to count again. You need to count again. Yeah, you didn't count right. Okay, count again. 10.
10,
Hmm.
20, 30, 40, 50,
69.
90,
69.
69.
Hmm. Put tens over there. 69. You got 69?
And
Okay, now. Okay, you already made a food. Let's ask daddy to come and taste. Daddy will make fun. Go call daddy. So Ram is hungry now. He will make his own bread and jam and eat. You can put your plate here.
now
Yeah.
what? Excuse me, huh?
जरा घाल. That's all. एकडे side. Yeah, this. Is it yummy?
Now does the chef is killing it?
Now the chef is eating real food. Is it yummy? Now you know how much your mommy will cook good. Why do you like cooking, Rama?
I don't know.
You just like it?
Yeah.
Okay.
When I grow up, I want to be a chef.
Okay.
I know.
So who is the good chef in your home? Who is the real cook? What's my name?
Sonia.
Sonia?
Like our mom.
Mama? Okay.
And this is my restaurant.
This is your restaurant and that is my restaurant. That is my kitchen, yeah. So what is your favorite thing? What your mom cooks?
Everything.
Everything? You like everything? Idli, dosa, vada, puri, chole. Okay, Ram, you can clean up. I count to 5. 1. Tick, tick, 1.
When I grow up, I want to be a builder. I build this house.
Oh.
I want to build a...
Using Legos, you build it?
Yeah.
You want to be a builder?
Build.
Okay, you do that work. I'll ask Shiva how he made this board. Shiva, can you show me how you made that? So, Shiva, how did you make that restaurant, Ram's restaurant board?
So I went on to Canva and then for some reason didn't save it. So I went on to Canva.
You chose one
second
template?
Example. Yeah, I chose a template. Yeah, so I did like a template and then I just built the
Oh, okay. Ram's restaurant and you printed it out?
Yes.
And I did the green outlining.
Right.
I
Okay.
did the green outlining. I told you.
Okay, yeah. So how did you find the menu? Even this menu also
I've made
Shiva printed. Okay, the same. This also you made it in Canva? Okay, Shiva printed this out.
Then,
Can you show me? It's beautiful.
something with
And then you printed it out?
Yeah, I put it.
paint with.
That's cool. Okay. Thank you, Shiva. So why do you, Ram, why do you have the camera in your restaurant? You take pictures?
I just take selfies when I'm bored.
Oh, you just take selfies when you're bored?
Yeah.
Okay. Also, you have a dragon in your restaurant?
Yeah.
Whoa. Oh, the dragon even walks? Whoa. Oh, you are taking selfies, Ram? I like that.
I think you didn't see it.
So why do you have binoculars in your restaurant?
I don't know. When I just get bored.
So you made these binoculars?
Yes.
Show me.
I made it.
That's nice. Your brother made it.
No.
Yes.
No.
Your brother helped you. Okay, don't do that. Okay, say bye. Bye, Ram. Thank you for yummy, yummy food.